Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do another look using the Danessa Myricks liquid metals. This one is in the shade Hot Fire. I use the shade on my eyes and on my lips. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching and let's play makeup. Face is moisturized, brows are done. I'm going to go ahead and start priming my eyes with the MAC paint pot. This is going to be in the shade Soft Ochre. I'm going to go in with some tape. I'm going to go into the Blacktrack palette and go into the black shade. I'm going to use this flat brush to apply that shade to my crease. Going in with this small blending brush. I'll be going into the ABH Norvina palette and going into this orange shade right here. I'm going to go back in and reapply the black shade just to deepen the color, since blending I lost some of the shade. I'm not going up to the line where the black meets the orange. That's where I blended it out. But a little below it, I'm just reapplying the color to deepen it. Next, I'm gonna take a clean brush with nothing on it and just blend out this orange up to the brow bone. Just so the edges fade out and it's a nice seamless blend. And then I'm gonna go back and reapply the orange shade just to deepen the color. Now that the colors are blended, I'm going to take some micellar water and a spray bottle and a Q-tip and clean up the crease. And then I'm going to reapply the MAC paint pot. So I'm doing a cut crease. Next, I'm going into the Danessa Myricks Liquid Metals Colorfix in the shade Hot Fire. I'm going to use the MAC Blacktrack liner and the liner brush to create my liner. I'm going to go over this liner with the KVD Tattoo Liner. I'm going to use the Born This Way concealer in the shade Warm Sand. I'm going to mix that shade with the shade Sand just to brighten it up a bit. My contour, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso. I'm going to hydrate my face with the Laura Mercier translucent setting spray. It's not misting, it's coming out kind of hard. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 330. I'm going to use the Luxury Banana Powder to set my highlighted areas. For the rest of my face, I'm going to set it with foundation powder in the shade NC45. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Bronze Please in the shade La Tierra to bronze my face. I'm going to go back into the banana powder to bake for a little bit, just to clean up some of my contour areas. For my blush, I'm going to go into the Anastasia blush trio and use, I think I'm going to mix these two shades together. Going back into the Norvina palette, I'm going to apply this orange shade below my lower lash line. I'm going to use the Rimmel London Smoke and Shine to line my lower lash line. I'm going to take a brush with nothing on it and just blend out that lower lash line. For my highlighter, I used MAC Extra Dimension and Oh Darling. And for my mascara, I used the 5D Whip Lift. I'm going to set my face with the MAC Fix Plus Setting Spray. For my lips, I'm going to line them with MAC Lip Liner in Chestnut. I'm going to use my Kat Von D liquid lipstick in a Go-Go. This was from the Everlasting Obsessions collection. So I only wanted this to go around the outer perimeter, and on the inside of the lip I'm going to apply the Liquid Metals eyeshadow that I put on my eyelid. The Danessa Myricks Colorfix are multi-use liquid colors, and they're waterproof. Okay guys, so this is the final look. If you do like this look, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.